Hello everyone, welcome back to the Word Lessons. Today I will introduce how to manage your paragraph and change font. First, how to write a story. A common article can be divided into three parts: title, subtitle, and content. Title is the topic of the whole article. A simple but clear title helps reader to understand the main idea of the article at the first sight, and subtitle can further explain the title in a short sentence. Then I will show you two versions of a document. In the first version, title and content are in same size and font. Readers may become confused because it is difficult to distinguish the difference between the title and the content. After changing the font and the size, readers can easily tell apart the title and the content. Before we start the class, you can open the learning material in the Word folder at the desktop and choose the Course 2 document. Let's review how to copy and paste. Press the Ctrl A to select whole content, and then press Ctrl+ C to copy. Then open a blank file, select the location you want to place your content. Then press Ctrl+V to paste. At Course 2.1, I will show you how to change your text size. First, click and drag through the text you want to select. Second, click Home tab and click the little arrow next by the size number. Then you can select your text size. At Course 2.2, I will show you how to change the font. First, click and drag through the text you want to select. Second, click Home tab and click the little arrow next to the option of the font, and you can select fonts by scrolling the mouse wheel. There are three ribbons below. First ribbon can let your text look bolder. Second ribbon can let your text look italic. And the third one will underline the selected text. If you want to cancel this change to the text, just click the ribbon one more time. The key point is that first click Apply and second click Cancel. At Course 2.3, I will show you how to change your text color. First, click and drag through the text you want to select. Second, click the Home tab. Click Font Color ribbon, then you can select the color you want. The ribbon next by is Character Shading. Click it to shade the background of the selected text. At Course 2.4, I will show you how to align the content. Click the Home tab and you can find this Align ribbon in the Paragraph group. First ribbon can align your content with the left margin. It's commonly used for content and make the document easier to read. Second ribbon, center your content on the page. It's often used on title. The third ribbon, align the content with the right margin. The last ribbon, distribute your content evenly between the margin. This kind of alignment makes your document look clean. At Course 2.5, I will show you how to emphasize your title by using the skill I have taught. First, Click and drag through the title you want to select. Second, click Home tab and you can change the word size, change the font, and center it. And you can also down that step to the subtitle. At course 2.6, I will show you how to change the line space. Why do we have to change the line space? Because a border space between each line of text makes the document easier to read. So first, click and drag through the text you want to select. Second, click Home tab, then click Spacing ribbon and select the space you want.